Guys, today we're diving into something that's been creating quite a buzz in the hearing aid world. Remember those Carevol Diamond X1 OTC hearing aids we talked about and I reviewed about 6 months ago? Well, we're back with an update that just might change the game for many of you that are seeking some hearing aids. So stick around as we unpack 6 months of real-world use and see if these affordable hearing aids live up to the hype. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now guys, first things first, let's have a quick recap of what makes these hearing aids so special. The Carevol Diamond X1 is an over-the-counter hearing aid that costs just $250. Yes, you heard that right, $250 for a pair of hearing aids. I mean, that is a fraction of what traditional hearing aids cost. Now, my 83-year-old mum has been using these pretty much every day, and she loves them. Now, one of the standout features she likes is the fact that these look a bit like AirPods. So you know what? They're pretty discreet, as even at 83, she doesn't want people knowing that she wears hearing aids. So sorry mum, just told everybody, but there we go. And you know what? They're also really comfortable. So wearing them all day isn't an issue. She also says that in comparison to her regular hearing aids, which she hasn't really been wearing that much since she's had these ones, is that the sound clarity of the Carevols is excellent. Now, given all of that, and the fact that these can be used as regular Bluetooth earbuds, so she can also use them for watching her content on her iPad, that's pretty cool. And one thing she really appreciated was the discreet design and easy charging, because you know what, some of those chargers on regular hearing aids are pretty fiddly. She also said that the battery life has remained good and she's still getting around 12 hours on a single charge. So you know what is the verdict after 6 months? Well, for the price, these Carevol Diamond X1 OTC hearing aids are genuinely impressive and offer incredible value. With the new year approaching, this could be a thoughtful gift and a game changer for friends or family members that have mild to moderate hearing loss. So if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Carevol for sending me these capable and cool hearing aids, and thanks to my mum for using them. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.